Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into DBT Cloud IDE to build analytics models step by step clearly. Visit the DBT Cloud website using your preferred web browser. Locate the login button on the top right corner of the home page. Click the login button to proceed to the login page. Enter your registered email address in the provided field. Next, input your password in the designated password field. If you want to stay signed in on this device, check the Remember Me option. Once you've filled in your credentials, click the Sign In button. If you've forgotten your password, click the Forgot Your Password link for recovery instructions. After logging in successfully, you will be redirected to the DBT Cloud dashboard. Familiarize yourself with the layout, including projects and models sections. To start building analytics models, navigate to the Projects tab. Select the project you want to work on from the list. Once inside the project, go to the Models section. Here, you can create new models or edit existing ones. Use the code editor to write your SQL queries and analytics logic. When you're ready, click on the Run button to execute your models. Review the output and insights generated from your models. If any errors occur, check the logs for troubleshooting. Once you're satisfied with the results, you can share your analytics insights with your team. Congratulations, you've successfully logged into DBT Cloud IDE and built your analytics models. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.